Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. I'm sending out positive energy to all of you all today. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I want to thank you all so very much for clicking onto this here video. Okay, y'all, so this is a coming soon preview video, and I'm going to be showing you all what's going to be coming in the next how to make video. All right. So, if you all can remember, for those of you who watched, I did a haul the other day on some yarn that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I got this yarn in 7 different colors. Whoops. And I think I went over all the colors that I got. I did. I went over all the colors. As a matter of fact, if I get a Kodak moment today, I'm going to go up there. I should have got yellow. And the reason why I say I should have got yellow is because I want to do something. Well, I'm going to be making something. And I needed yellow, but that's okay. It's going to be all good. I do have 7 colors here. I don't think I showed you all this color here. This is Moody Blue. No, I didn't. I showed you all these right here, but this is called Moody Blue. And the next how to make video will be done using one of these yarns that I received from the Dollar Tree. So, if this is your very first time here on this platform, please do me a favor. If you like this content, please subscribe to this channel. And my channel is my name, Joyce McTeer, but my business is Lajoytra Creations, and this is what I do. So I was just letting you all, for those of you who are new, okay? So please make sure you subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Stay tuned, kings and queens, for the next how to make video on one of these. Or I might do, I don't know, we'll see. So I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.